Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I get this from this. Period. Okay, so the first step is you're going to want to get your eyelash curler and a lighter. And basically, you're just going to want to warm it up. And then make sure it's not too hot because it will burn your eyelids. Then you just curl your lashes like that. Okay, then after that, I'm going to take some waterproof mascara and I'm just going to put it under my lashes. So, just put some of this. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to take my favorite mascara, which is the Benefit Belle Girl Bang. And what I'm going to do is I'm only going to put mascara on the tips of my lashes. Don't touch the root, just the tips. So you go like this. And then make sure you get the back of your lashes too, to make them look longer. Okay, now your lashes should look like this. Now you're going to want to take a little piece of eyelash. This is an old pair of eyelashes, but I just ripped off the end. It's about the size of a bean. Now you're going to want to take your favorite eyelash glue. I like to use a dual green one. It's really good. And then you just add it to the ends right here. This part is really hard, so be patient. Oh my gosh, I did it wrong. And then just let it dry a little bit. Okay, then you want to take your eyelash curler and you're going to want to curl your fake lash with your real lashes. But you want to be very careful and gentle because you don't want to accidentally rip off the fake lash or even your real lash. Oh my god, I hope that it got stuck. And then after that, I just add a little bit more mascara. I focus it on the tips and then right here too. And you're done. And if you made a mess, just clean it up with a little Q-tip. Okay, and I'm done. This is the final look.